Imagine never forgetting an idea again because your phone automatically records, transcribes, summarizes, and remembers everything you say. And that's basically what Voicenotes is trying to do in 2026. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Voicenotes, one of the fastest growing AI note-taking apps right now. And honestly, it feels more like a personal AI memory assistant than a normal notes app. The first step is creating an account on the website or downloading the app on your phone or computer. Voicenotes works on iPhone, Android, Mac, Windows, Apple Watch, and web browsers, so you can access your notes almost anywhere. Once you open the app, the main thing you'll notice is how simple the interface is. There's a big record button right in front of you. You tap it, start speaking naturally, and the AI automatically records your voice and turns it into text almost instantly. For example, if I say something like, "Remember to finish my YouTube script tomorrow and email the client before 5 p.m., Voicenotes automatically creates a transcription and can even generate summaries or action items from what I said. One of the coolest features is the AI search system, because instead of manually scrolling through old notes, you can ask questions like, "What did I say about my gym schedule last week?" or "What meeting notes mentioned marketing ideas?" And the AI searches through your recordings for you. That's honestly what makes the app feel futuristic, because it works more like a second brain than a normal notebook. Another feature I really like is the Apple Watch support, because you can quickly record thoughts while walking or exercising without needing to open your phone. The app also supports over 100 languages and integrates with productivity tools like Notion and Zapier, which is useful for students, creators, entrepreneurs, and remote workers. Now, let's talk about the real experience, because online reviews are actually pretty interesting. A lot of users genuinely love how fast and simple the app feels. Many people say it helps them capture ideas instantly before forgetting them, especially during meetings, brainstorming sessions, or late-night thoughts. Users also praise the clean design and the fact that the developers release updates frequently. Some Product Hunt reviews even call it one of the best AI note-taking apps currently available, but there are definitely downsides too. Some users complain that recordings occasionally failing to upload or disappearing, which is obviously a serious issue for an app built around memory and note storage. Others say the interface changes too often and can become confusing after updates. A few Reddit users also mention that organization tools for large note collections still need improvement, and like all AI transcription tools, the accuracy depends heavily on microphone quality and background noise. So this isn't a perfect replacement for every professional workflow yet. But overall, Voicenotes honestly feels like one of the most modern and useful AI productivity apps in 2026, especially if you prefer speaking instead of typing. It's fast, creative, easy to use, and genuinely helpful for capturing ideas before they disappear. If you want an AI-powered note-taking app that feels simple but powerful at the same time, this is definitely worth testing for yourself. And if you've already tried Voicenotes, let me know your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest AI tutorials and reviews in 2026.